Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You have the Instagram app and access to your email or phone. Tap Profile, then Settings, Account, and choose Personal if needed. Add a clear photo, a concise bio, and link email or phone so you can recover the account. Once done, set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Do this now to prevent lockouts later. Basic protection avoids common account issues and lets you proceed to content steps with confidence. You should now focus on creating and scheduling content deliberately. Plan a cadence, 3 posts per week, daily stories, and 1 or 2 reels to build engagement. When composing a post, explain why it matters, include a call to action, and add targeted hashtags without spamming. Make sure to set your privacy preference in Settings Privacy so you control who sees your content. Also, connect contacts or sync to Facebook only if you want cross-posting. This helps grow reach while keeping control of visibility and tone. You finish setup by actively engaging and monitoring performance. Respond to comments quickly, use direct messages to build relationships, and save quick replies for frequent questions. Check insights regularly to see which posts get the most reach and adjust timing accordingly. Make sure linked accounts and payment methods are updated if you use shopping or promotions. If something goes wrong, like a lockout, use your two-factor recovery codes, the email recovery link, or submit a support request. Keep calm and follow the account verification steps provided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.